Let us see in this video how to register the credit note for quantity and price deviation. Registering a credit note for quantity and price deviation refers to the process of creating a credit note to adjust the original invoice when there's a difference in quantity received, R, price charged compared to the purchase, R, sales order terms. This ensures that the invoice amount accurately reflects the actual goods received, R, the correct agreed rate, maintaining proper financial inventory and tax records. Let us take an example. Party name, Abrami Precision Works. Bill number, ABR05. Bill date, 10th of November 2025. GRN amount, 12,314 rupees. Bill amount, 11,634 rupees. Deviation amount, 680 rupees. This slide shows the credit note workflow approval process, which consists of two-level reviewing and approving. After the entries are created by the creator, the document will be forwarded to the supervisor. Once the supervisor reviews the document, it will be forwarded to the manager, who has the authority to approve. The manager will review and approve the document. This is how the workflow works. Let us log in with the creator's username and password to create the credit note for quantity and price deviation. Click the Login button, click Financials, then Transaction, and then click Party Document. Navigate to the credit note screen. To create the credit note for quantity and price deviation, click the Pending button. Click the Deviation button. To view the deviation details, such as quantity difference, R, price variation, verify the deviation values displayed. If the deviation is not required, select the deviation document. If the deviation is not required, click the Deviation Not Required button to close the entry without creating a credit note. To generate a credit note for the deviation, click Create Deviation Document. The deviation document has been generated. The location ID and unit will be autofilled based on the original transaction. The credit note document prefix and number will be generated automatically as per the document series setup. Choose the credit note prefix. Click the Save button. The credit note date will be updated automatically, and the credit note type will be set as credit note deviation. Party ID, party name, and party details will be auto-populated from the selected document. In the Reason field, choose the appropriate reason for issuing the credit note. Item and deviation details will be updated along with the HSN, SAC code based on the selected source document. The system will fetch the applicable tax rate accordingly. Based on the location details, the relevant tax components will be applied automatically. If the transaction is interstate, the IGST amount will be updated. If the transaction is intrastate, the CGST and SGST amounts will be updated. Choose the GL account description. Click the Save button. To create the credit note number, click Create Invoice Number. The credit note number will be generated. Click Update Narration. The narration field will be updated automatically. If required, the narration can be edited. Click the Create Journal checkbox. The journal will be created. To review the journal, click the View Journal button. The purchase account will be debited, the tax account will be debited, and the party account will be credited. Click the Post button to forward the document to the reviewer. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the reviewer. Navigate to the reviewer's login. Click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen. Click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, select the document. Click Process, then Forward. and choose the forwarding person. Click Process. The document will be forwarded to the manager. Navigate to the manager's login. Click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen. Click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, select the document. Click Process, then Approve and click Process. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.